Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with N26 Spaces. Review my usage experience. N26 Spaces Review My Usage Experience offers a way to create and manage separate subaccounts within your main N26 account. It's primarily aimed at individuals wanting to better organize their finances, setting aside funds for specific goals like saving for a holiday, paying bills, or managing different budgets. Key features include creating multiple spaces, setting saving goals with automated transfers, and easily tracking your progress toward each goal. Their website provides details on how to set up and use spaces. It boasts ease of use, straightforward pricing, no hidden fees, integrated within your existing N26 account, and offers a simple alternative to managing multiple accounts across different banks. The technology is integrated directly into the N26 app, making it easily accessible. Availability is limited to N26 users, obviously. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using N26 Spaces. Getting started was incredibly easy. It only took me a couple of minutes to create my first space within the N26 app. The interface is clean and intuitive. I set up 3 spaces: Holiday Fund, Home Improvements, and Emergency Fund. I then automated regular transfers from my main account to each space, setting different amounts for each goal. The progress tracking is excellent. I can clearly see how much I've saved toward each goal and how much further I need to go. Performance has been flawless. The automated transfers have worked perfectly without any issues. I had a quick question about transferring funds between spaces and their support responded within 24 hours via email. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, allowing me to visually track my progress at a glance. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated transfers. It removes the friction of manually moving money around. One minor drawback was that I initially struggled to understand how the interest feature worked, which requires meeting certain conditions to be rewarded. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with N26 Spaces. It's a simple yet effective tool for anyone looking to improve their budgeting and saving habits. That's my overview of N26 Spaces. Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Roam Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.